Did you know you could be losing thousands in taxes when selling your South OC home? I'm Brandy Cummin, your local real estate expert, and I'm going to show you how to keep more of your profit. Capital gains tax is what you pay on the profit from selling a property. If your home is your primary residence, you may exclude up to $500,000 if married, but second homes or investments are fully taxable, though smart deductions can save you money. Track all your renovations and improvements, as they lower your taxable gain, and time your sale in a year with lower income to reduce taxes. For investment properties, a 1031 exchange or deducting selling costs like commissions and closing fees can save even more. Selling a $1.5 million San Clemente home you lived in 3 years, you likely qualify for the $500K exclusion if married. Dana Point vacation home or inherited property, deductions for improvements and knowing your basis can protect your profit. Capital gains tax doesn't have to eat your profit. I guide my clients to track improvements, understand exclusions, and structure their sales smartly so they walk away with more money. The biggest mistake I see is waiting until the last minute and guessing at deductions. Don't leave thousands on the table, plan ahead. If you're selling your South OC home, let's review your potential tax exposure together. DM me or follow me here for more smart seller tips. Planning now can save you thousands later. Protect your profit, sell smart, and walk away confident.